Court has cautioned you against making such remarks where you do not intend or mean to say what is being attributed to you.
Yes, I will have to say them either outside India or
No, Professor Nandi, we want you to be
within the confines of four walls.
but Professor Nandi, on a serious note, the Supreme Court is definitely annoyed by the fact that the way your counsel argued this matter, the Supreme Court said that Professor Nandi, if he did not mean what he said at the Jaipur Literature Festival, he should not say it. In the sense, is the Supreme Court now telling you to speak or do plain speaking, say only what you mean?
I do not know, but I have to be careful now. The case, in any case, is sub judice, and I would appreciate it if you allow me to say that I am grateful to the Supreme Court nonetheless for the relief, and to my legal team for making such an excellent case defense of me.
But sir,
I'm very grateful. I am also grateful to the media for giving me much support. But for one or two rare exceptions, the media has stood by me too, and so have the people of India. I have received thousands of letters and messages.
Sir, definitely there is overwhelming support for you, not just in the country but across the globe. But at the same time, do you feel that such an FIR which has been filed against you, it any way curbs your freedom of speech and expression?
I don't think I should comment on that.
There's also the serious charge of sedition. I mean, apart from the SC/ST Act, there's also a very serious charge of
I cannot comment on that either. The cases are pending.
Professor, sir, can you tell us about your opinion on the ongoing Vishwarupam controvery? I mean, you know, Kamal Hassan's movie.
I think it is very unfair, because I can say on that, because frankly speaking, it is primarily about what is happening in Afghanistan, not what is happening in India, and therefore should not that much concern my Muslim brethren in this country.
नंदी साहब हिंदी में बता दीजिए, आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस निर्देश को किस रूप में ले रहे हैं?
इनसे सुनिए ना, हमारा लीगल टीम हिंदी भी मेरे से अच्छा बोलते हैं।
अरे सर एक बार सर प्लीज सर प्लीज आप ही एक बार सर आप ही एक बार सर थोड़ा आगे, आप थोड़ा सा आगे
बोल दीजिए क्या।
अरे सर
आप बता दीजिए नंदी साहब, लेकिन साहब उन्हें हिंदी में एक बार बोलने दीजिए
प्लीज एक बार प्लीज सर। और थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाए सर, थोड़ा सा आगे।
देखिए, ये मालूम है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मुझे स्टे दिया अरेस्ट से, और उन्होंने कहा सभी केस इकट्ठा जांच किया जाएगा। ये हर हिंदुस्तान के हर जगह जाके मुझे लड़ना नहीं है, केस नहीं पड़ेगा। यही
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आपको ये भी हिदायत दी है कि आप आगे इस तरह के बयान ना दें, तो ऐसे में आप आगे
थोड़ा सा
केयरफुल रहेंगे।
मुझे
सर हम इधर से थोड़ा
नहीं, मैं ये सलाह मुझे कई दोस्तों भी पहले दिया हूँ, ये मैं सावधानी से बात करूंगा। जो बोलना है हिंदुस्तान के बाहर बोलूंगा, घर के अंदर बोलूंगा।